Hi all, I'm Larry Berman, and this is what's on my radar this week. Well, we heard from Fed Powell again this week, and he reiterated, and the committee suggested for at least the next 3 years, interest rates would be anchored to zero. But it was the Q&A that revealed the mysteries of the Fed. He reiterated several times they're currently doing about as much as they could. It's very powerful language and very powerful stimulus. And basically, when asked about desire for inflation, where Main Street clearly doesn't need a higher cost of living, Powell did a bit of a dance around that and really didn't answer the question. So he was very evasive. When he was asked about future policy path, all the journalists were pushing him to say more and more, and he basically said, well, we could do more, but we could do less too, and the markets really didn't like that. And so the sell-off continued this week, and it's clear evidence that the market needs the excess Fed liquidity to rally, and it'll be interesting in the next week or two. We didn't see a Fed speaker come out right after that and walk it back. So the Fed has turned the onus on to the government to do their thing. Mitch and Nancy just don't see eye to eye, and we're not sure anything's going to get done there. Constitution Day was September 17th. Back in 1787, when the Constitution was signed. And Trump tweeted out, doing everything almostly to rip apart the Constitution. And he says, because of the new and unprecedented massive amount of unsolicited ballots, which will be sent to voters or wherever, this year, November 3rd election may never be accurately determined. And he is setting us up for weeks, if not a couple months, of constitutional battling. And with the sad passing of the legend Ruth Bader Ginsburg, we have a real interesting constitutional focus as well over the next few months. In Canada, speaking of politics, we're going to get the throne speech, and I got to question what throne they're going to give the speech from, to be honest, because I think it's going to be a load of crap. But the Governor General will deliver the script provided by the Trudeau Liberals, and I hope they don't turn it into a by votes speech. And that's kind of what I fear. I mean, the timing is all wrong here for Ottawa to lay out, a Green New Deal and a massive amount of spending to build back better. So given his virtue signaling, I can imagine there's going to be some of that. The markets are going to place close attention to it for clues, but the Canadian dollar might be the weak spot of the week if they go for the extra large S there. Of course, we saw a further unwind of the Fangman concentration, the option trade unwind, and we saw a lot of rotation into the value names from some of the growth names. So our bear and bull pick of the week focus on a relatively short-term trade, long value, short growth trade of the week. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel and sign up for the alerts so you know when we have new content out. Have a great week, everybody.